Justin Neal throws away another movement on the left, 32.4, but hits two cones on 32.4. Necron on the right side.
Copy that, thank you.
Vance, Heather Burns, and Aaron Rich have yet to run, so Mr. Connors won't be able to sleep easy quite yet. Jones taking off with Christmas and Jay Storm. Solstice on turn, I don't think there's any top left for those things. Picking up 3 thousandths of a second at 28.513 for Alex Glassman, 29.513. Pickup for him. Glassman at 7.23 for Jones. Jones holds on to a almost 7/10 of a second lead over Ragland. Glassman sitting in that third spot. 29.158. That's a 4-10, 3.5 tenths pickup for him. And Bradbury picks up 721 on the left for Greg. Left side, Billy Davis now. He picks up a 10.5, a 29.277. 117 behind Vinavas. Things tightening up here and Street Prepared B. Mark Summer picks up 34 thousandths. 31.295 to 602. On the left side, what's he got? How about 3/10 for you, sir? 31.722, 608 the reaction time. This Nick Simon picks up almost 2/10 of a second, 30.798 to 553 reaction time. Simon now to 6th spot with Summer in the 5th position. Next in the finish, big slide by the Civic. Looks really cool. 1.7 second pickup, and that was the styliest finish I've ever seen in a Civic. Loved it. 30.736, 704 reaction time, and a 1.7 second pickup. Awesome stuff there for Chris. Chris got it. In the 5th spot. Alex Jones in next. Andrew Glassman on the right. Joe back first. 6/10 pickup for Alex Jones. 28.210, 693 on the tree. Right side, no Glassman. 30.349 and a 618 reaction time. Another half a second for him. 29.277. That's good number to miss. 8.28 the reaction time. Christmas 2.5 tenths quicker on a previous run, so no help for Robert. Bradbury on the left with Vandenberg. Left side 29.718. No help. 30.47450 the reaction time there for Briggs. Billy Davis now. Officially late. You need to make your way to worker check-in ASAP. Billy Davis, no help. 21 thousandths on his quick time. Sets off his quick time. A 29.470 for Vinavas and a 29.786 for Davis. 603 on the tree for Davis and a 603 for Vinavas. Summer on the right, Campbell lifting down for us. 33 thousandths of a second pickup. Eric Campbell on a cone attached. 29.588. Would have put him 83 thousandths behind Vinavas, but the cone changes it all. Mark Summer, no help, highlight a 696 on the tree for Summer. Right side now, Brian McNamara, 10th off the mark from his earlier right side run, so no help. Nick Simon now working the right side, McNamara on the left. It looks like McNamara picks up .186, so good pick up there for Brian McNamara. 6:19 the reaction time. Mike Pataki, they need you to show up for work. Mike Pataki, we're looking for you for help. Nick Simon from SSL. Carter Thompson, how about 6/10 of a second for you, sir? 27.649. 27.649 for Carter Thompson. 5:46 the reaction time. Namer picks picks up 4 tenths. 28.551. Carter Thompson now the 7 tenths lead. The second drivers here in SSR. Into the finish, Randall Wilcox on the right, Brian Johns on the left. Johns 1.4 second improvement. Right side a 1.3 second improvement. Wilcox is going to hold on to the third spot. As we've got Pat Salerno now working the left side, right side. Mike Snyder. Watch this GT3 get to the spot. This thing right there. My goodness, Salerno in. 0.137 pickup for Salerno. 29, 249, 29, 249 for Pat Salerno. And he's going to hold on to the 5th spot still, it looks like. Snyder picks up 2 tenths, 30.437, 577. The reaction time for Snyder. 692 for Salerno. Mark LeBance now on the left side. James Newman on the right. LeBance back first. 1.2 second pickup for LeBance. 29, 689. That's going to be good enough for the 11th spot. Newman catches a cone. Would have been 3 tenths pickup, but the cone will throw that out the window at 29, 949, 560. The reaction time for Newman. LeBance a 696. Aaron Rich now on the right, Heather Burns on the left. Rich back first, picks up 2.272 pickup. Rich 30.050. Heather Burns picks up a full second, 32.016. 662 for Burns, 826 for Rich. Namer, 28.117, 15 thousandths of a second off his quick time. Actually, to the good, so he picks up 15,000. Carter Thompson, no help, 2 tenths off his quick time. 6:12 the reaction time for Carter, 5:06 for Namer. So Namer Alrighty, into the finish now. Randall Wilcox, 2.281 pickup for Wilcox. So Randall now 1.5 seconds behind Namer. Brian Johns, red light, 4:22 red light. As we're back to Salerno and Snyder. Salerno with the advantage. Heading into that final sweeper where the GT3 shines. Right there, he rolls that power line. Really gets it into the finish. Pat Salerno, no help, 33 thousandths of a second off his quick time on the right, 29.514, 573. Mike Snyder picks up 3 tenths of a second at 29.475, 29.475. Snyder now to the 9th spot here in SSR. LeBance now on the right, Newman on the left. Newman a big slide, gets it pointed in the right direction. No help on the left for Newman. LeBance though picks up 7, almost 8 tenths. 29.784, 29.784 for LeBance, a 6:06 reaction time, and all the way up to the 8th spot, right behind Jason Burns is Mark LeBance. Heather Burns on the right, Rich on the left, needs a good time, hangs it out into the finish. What's he got? Picks up 5.3 seconds at 30.084. 556 on the tree. Aaron now up to 11th. And Heather Burns picks up a cone and is about 8 thousandths off her quick time on the right. Parched in here inside, no help for Matt Butts. 6:14 will be the highlight of that run. Chris McKay now works the left side. James Cathers on the right. Better. Throwing me off your leader, Cathers. A half a second pickup on the right for Cathers. So 1.6. So James Cathers now 28.6. 32.109 on the left for McKay plus the cone, no help. 791 there he is, he's in. He picks up almost 7 tenths of 28.294. Now Tharp 9 29.73 reaction time, but no help on a 30.060. On the left side, into the finish, picks up 7.5 tenths of 29. 927, 927. Eric Brown in the Corvette Z06. So we now have Stimler on the right, Butts on the left. Stimler heading to the finish first. Let's get out of here. 29.402, a 2-second improvement, but then hits a cone again. Eric Stimler, 29.402, 646 the reaction time.
It's like $900.
Left side Butts, a 344 red light will not help his cause at all.
So stupid.
Now we've got Chris McKay working the right side, all by his lonesome this time. Finish picks up 0.2 of a second at 31.841, 581 the reaction time. Tharp on the right, Cathers on the left, your leaders from Street Prepared A. Tharp with the advantage, it looks like to be. Tharp with a huge advantage now. Looks like Cathers may have just given it up a little bit. Tharp out the marbles though, getting it a little deep at the finish. What's it going to do to him? It's going to hurt him. 29.355, no help. Cathers no help either. 582 on the tree for Tharp, 697 on the left for Cathers. Now we've got Hahn on the right, O'Gorman on the left. O'Gorman, another issue. He's got a red light this time. Greg Hahn, 4/10 pickup, just about 4/10 there. 29.512. 29.512. Greg Hahn, 5:14 the reaction time. Looks like Hahn into the third spot. 0.293 behind Tharp. Mike Lane in now on the left side, picks up 4/10, 29.02 no fight. Showing a time that may have been quicker. 27.304 is a scratch, 28.387 on the right point Flintoff. He's about 3.5 tenths off his quick time. Scheidler now on the right. Lauer on the left. Yes, Lauer, I think, had the advantage here. 27.866, that's 0.127 pickup. Alan Scheidler, 27.902, that's 6 tenths pickup. Klein, Garfield, Lauer, McClintock, and Scheidler, your top 5. Is now we've got Jackson McLeod on the right. And Jason right side though, 2.5 second pickup for Jackson McLeod. 29.707, 29.707. He needs to get a left side run up. That'll get him much better on. A lot of carnage early on in this class. Into the finish next, Scott Boydo on the right, Lisa Garfield on the left. So Lisa looks like having more issues with her car. The reaction time. Garfield, a 1 second reaction time. A few issues there. Darren Seltzer in on the right. Red light, 359. Left side, McGee, 0.178. Second driver sitting back there, yet to go. Remember, once again, 7:30 a.m. start time tomorrow. 5:56 for McClintock, no help, 7:62 to Ryan Lauer picks up 6.5 tenths, 27, 5:93. 27, that's good enough for the second spot. 3 tenths out of the lead for Lauer. Left side, Scheidler picks up 3 tenths, 28.224. 28.224. Jason picking up 1.8, 29, 163. Jackson at 29. So Jackson getting himself now a time in the book on that left side. 5:50 the reaction time. Now Boyko on the left side. 28.081 for Scott Boyko. That gets him a time in the book. Takes back to the 66th spot here in Cart Mod. Garrett Stetzer now working the left. Paul McGee on the right.